All right, question 9. Question 9 asks, what is the time difference between these pairs of places? So what we have to do is we have to work out what time zones these places belong to. Okay, so the United Kingdom and Kazakhstan. I'm going to look at the map on page 256 and 257 to work out where these places are. So you can see here the United Kingdom. So you can see the number 0 at the top here. So that means that United Kingdom is it uses UTC, okay? And Kazakhstan, you find it on page 257. So Kazakhstan is right here, and you can see that there's a number 6 in there. So that means that Kazakhstan is 6 hours ahead. The reason why it's ahead is because it is to the east of the UK. Okay. All right. So you can write that United Kingdom is UTC plus 0. Okay. And Kazakhstan is UTC plus 6. All right. And remember plus 6. So it means that it is 6 hours ahead. And that's because it's to the east of the UK. Okay, so time difference. Now, this will seem very simple, but I'm just going to do it so that you guys have an idea of what I'm doing here. So I'll just do the 6 here, take away 0. Okay, so it's going to time difference is going to be 6 hours. Okay, what about, oh, we're not doing B, we're doing C. What about Queensland and Egypt? Okay, so Queensland and Egypt. Oh, so Queensland's, so that's EST. Okay. Now you can find Queensland on page 257. Oh, that's all right. 256 also has Queensland as well. So you can see here Queensland is going to be using Eastern Standard Time, and that means that it is 10 ahead of UTC. So it's UTC plus 10. Okay, we are to the east of the UK. Now Egypt. Egypt, you can find it there, and that is, you can see that Egypt is going to have the same time zone as Sudan, so that means that it is 2 hours ahead. It's 2 hours to the east of the UK, so it's going to be UTC plus 2. Okay, so time difference. Oh, time difference. So we take 10 and we subtract 2. Okay, positive 10 subtract positive 2, and that means the time difference is 8 hours. So Queensland is 8 hours ahead of Egypt. Okay, what about Mexico and Germany? Oh, Germany. So where is Mexico? So Mexico is in the Americas. Okay, so you can see here that Mexico is in time zone 6. Now you can also see that Mexico is to the west of the United Kingdom. So that means that it is UTC minus 6. Okay, so it's behind the UK time. So it's 6 hours behind the UK. Germany, on the other hand, okay, so Germany, you can find it right here. Okay, and also on page 257. Okay, not quite, but you can see Germany would be right there, and it is in time zone 1. And you can see that Germany is in the east. Okay, it's right there. So Germany is to the east of the United Kingdom. So it's going to be UTC plus 1. Okay, so the time difference. Okay, so we take plus 1. Okay, you can write plus 1 here as well. That's fine. Minus 6. Okay, now if you remember from term 1, when we have minus a negative number, that's the same as adding a positive number, right? A negative and a negative make it positive. So 1 plus 6, that's 7 hours. So Mexico and Germany is 7, oh, sorry, Mexico and Germany are 7 hours apart. Okay, so I hope this helps you with question 9.